The Study Hall Educational Foundation began its work in 1986 in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Its mission is to innovate, reach out to all segments of society and to have a social impact. It runs primary, secondary and higher secondary schools for children from urban and rural areas, girls from underprivileged backgrounds, an open school and a school for children with special needs. It also runs a digital outreach program which uses videos and other innovative interventions to spread quality education to other schools across India.
You know, the foundation, first of all, its main innovation is that it's a universe of care. And by that I mean that it deeply cares about all the people in it, including the teachers. Everyone must feel at home. Everyone must feel that they belong. That's very important.
मुझे मेरा स्कूल बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैं सुबह जल्दी अपना काम खत्म करके दोपहर को स्कूल जाती हूँ।
Prerna means inspiration. It is a school for girls, often migrants, living in extreme poverty in urban slums around Study Hall. The foundation not only provides them with quality education but makes sure that they develop a perception of themselves as equal, autonomous persons deserving respect. Prerna provides a loving, caring, respectful learning environment, adopts a strong rights-based approach and includes an empowerment component in the core curriculum. It uses critical feminist pedagogy and drama extensively. Prerna also builds a strong relationship with the community and aims to get them to value their daughters and view them as equal, autonomous persons.
प्रेरणा की शुरुआत जुलाई 2003 में हुई थी और हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले 80 गर्ल्स एंड विद 2 टीचर्स हमने ये स्कूल एक छोटी सी बिल्डिंग में शुरू किया था। हम लोगों को ये लगा कि जो ये गरीब तबके की लड़कियां हैं, इनको पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि सुबह के समय ये ज़्यादातर या तो घर के कामों में बिज़ी रहती हैं या जहाँ पर इनकी मदर्स काम करने जाती हैं, ये लोग उनके साथ काम करने चली जाती हैं।
When we started Prerna in 2003, the understanding that came was that education is not neutral. That it's not neutral of class, it's not neutral of caste, that in gender, in fact, all these things impact the education and the kind of education that it should be.
प्रेरणा में हमें बहुत तरीकों से सिखाया जाता है कि हम अपने पैरों पे कैसे खड़े हैं। मेरे सारे सीनियर्स अभी से अपनी पसंद का काम कर रही हैं। मैं भी जल्दी से अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म करके अपने मन का काम करना चाहती हूँ। मुझे लगता है प्रेरणा वो जगह है जहाँ सपने सच होते हैं।
We use critical feminist pedagogy with Prerna, which means that unless you take a feminist stance and help girls to discover who they are, to understand that they are oppressed, to understand why they are oppressed, and then to equip them to face the challenges that life is going to throw them just because they are girls, to resist discrimination and how to rise above it, right? That's what basically critical feminist pedagogy is, and we built a whole curriculum around it.
अब शादी के टाइम ये बातचीत हो रही है, इतने में लड़की आ गई और इसमें और लड़की कुछ कहती है, क्या कहती है? ठीक है, ये ठीक है कि कुछ और करें? ये वाला ठीक है?
And girls, given the kinds of discrimination they face, the kinds of limits that are imposed on their lives, those are many. There's domestic violence, there's child marriage, there's preference for a male child, not being given enough, not being valued at home at all, severe limitations on mobility.
लड़की को पढ़ने का अवसर दो। लड़की को पढ़ने का अवसर दो।
unless you can deal with those, unless girls can be equipped to deal with those, understand first of all what their situation is, education isn't going to empower them or help them overcome the challenges that life will throw them. That's our goal with Prerna.
संस्कार तो आपके पेट ही में नहीं है। जो पढ़े लिखे होने के बावजूद वो दहेज मांग रहा है। वो शादी दहेज से कर रहा है या फिर मुझसे?
अरे थोड़ा सा पढ़ के लिया, तुम्हारे तो पढ़ निकला है।
क्या
बैठो जाके।
नहीं करनी मुझे शादी। अंदर जा ज्योति। नहीं।
So in 2005, there was a professor from Princeton who actually contacted me and said that he had an idea about how to use video technology to take good practices from urban private schools, schools that had resources, and to take them to remote rural areas where there are no resources. So in collaboration with him, we founded the Digital Study Hall, and what that simply does is that you video good practices, teaching practices, and you take them to rural areas in a simple DVD format. You don't use internet so much, and you use it to train teachers to become better teachers, and you take good content to schools where they might not have them because the teachers are not so equipped. That again, now we have a video treasury of over 2,000 videos. All our material is on YouTube, free of cost to anybody, and we are now working with 46 schools in remote areas where we are trying to take our work and share our practices with them, and it's growing.
The Study Hall Educational Foundation also runs a rural co-educational high school called Vidyasthali in Malihabad, 27 kilometers from Lucknow. The school brings high-quality, low-cost education to rural India. Vidyasthali was started in 2005, and children from as many as 55 villages come here to study.
I've been working at rural education for a long while. In fact, my own dissertation is in a rural school. But we finally put up the building and started in the effort to have a low-cost, high-quality rural school in a rural region. We started again with 80 children in 2005, and now there are 472 and they come from 55 villages.
9 years में हमने जो काम किया वो केवल इतना कि एजुकेशन के बारे में विलेज के लोगों को अवेयर किया कि वो होती क्या है। वो कागज़ का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं होती है, 10th और 12th का वो कहीं से भी मिल जाता है, पर एजुकेशन पर्सनालिटी में रिफ्लेक्ट होती है। एक 10th क्लास बच्चा पास जब बच्चा खड़ा होता है, वो जब बोलता है तब समझ में आता है कि वो 10th पास है। बस ये हमने कन्वे किया है और बहुत सक्सेसफुली कन्वे किया इस बात।
Then we started Dosti, which again we've been dealing with children with special needs, but in a very informal way. But formally, I found a special educator, Surabhi Kapoor. She's a wonderful person, and we started again with just a few, 5 or 6 children, and now we have 83, 90 and counting.
I like my school because I get to do a new thing every day. Each moment spent in school makes me really happy. Because I love my teachers and I have met some of my best friends here.
Actually, Dosti stands for Development of Self Through Interaction. The word was coined as Dosti because it's a very happy, friendly atmosphere in which we try to help children with challenges and let them work at their pace. It's only for academics that they have to be in a classroom in which they learn at their own pace. Co-curricular activities, they're doing everything together. We have our concerts, our sports, elocution, dancing, music. They compete in everything along with the mainstream children.
I really like my music classes. So much can be expressed through music. I think I will be a musician one day.
And our latest venture in 2013 is the Center for Learning, which is a place where we are working with children who are just for some reason or the other fall through the cracks, can't cope with the mainstream ICSE or CBSE exam. And so we have a fully tutored, holistic program which follows the NIOS, the National Institute of Open Schooling Board. We've taken a place on rent. We have 27 children last year, and this year already we have 39 and counting.
Study Hall was started in Dr. Sahni's garage in 1986 with just 6 children. Now, the English medium secondary school has over 2,000 children and the main campus is located in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. Its motto of redefining education is realized by using innovative activity-based teaching methods, a focus on social issues in the curriculum and a special emphasis on performing arts and other co-curricular activities.
So the idea was to try and not do the things that are happening in schools around, and from there to learn how you might do things better. So in terms of our teaching practices, what is innovative about that and where the universe of care figures is that each class is a micro universe. So we tell our teachers, whatever you do, no one will learn from you unless they know that you care about them. And you care about them holistically, that are they happy, are they well, what is happening with them.
And that's what we want, that they should enjoy their childhood while we prepare them for their future. And for that we make sure that every child gets opportunity to express themselves.
I like my school because learning is fun here. We are taught in a way that suits us. We learn through discussions, debate, drama, music, and sometimes even dance.
The other thing that we have focused very hard upon, and right from the beginning really, is that we believe the arts, whether it's the visual arts or it's the performing arts, and drama more particularly than all of them. It's normally considered co-curricular activities. We've tried to put it in the center of our curriculum. And in fact, people say it, I think they don't mean it as a compliment, though I take it as a compliment, कि study hall में ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं होती.
See, most of our children have been here from the very beginning, so they don't really think it is something different. But yes, we do have students who come from outside. I think 99.9 are very happy. I think 99.9% of the parents are very happy, 100% of the students are very happy.
And the other way in which the care manifests itself is that it has reached out to all the representative populations of the country. We reach out to rural populations, urban slum children, to children with special needs, and to children in remote areas. And I'm pleased to report that through all our initiatives, including Digital Study Hall, which is our biggest outreach arm, we are reaching out to over 20,000 teachers, students, and teacher educators.